Okay, go ahead.
It's a box.
You're such a smart ass.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that is too cool. Ah, yes. Oh, all right. Now we're going to go to town. Ha ha. All right. How's it come apart?
Don't you have a box? Is there a box of stuff that goes with it, or is that all?
That's all of it.
Okay. Well, there's a little box.
All right.
Do you need a knife or?
Nope.
Okay.
See why we wanted you home?
Oh, yeah. Is this a product test?
Yes.
The lady's been trying. It took her 2 weeks to get it released and out.
Same one that got me the violin.
Okay, I need a little bitty screwdriver. Phillips.
Let me see what I have in here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm pretty sure it probably came with instructions, Dad.
Oh, I'm pretty sure it did.
Yeah, they're in the bottom of the box.
Oh, yeah.
This has a lithium-ion battery.
Yep.
How do you charge that?
With the little charger that comes with it.
Okay.
Marshmallow, stop.
Oh, I'm tickled to death.
Have the camera. He's a camera kitty.
Me and Mandy have been hiding this from you for so long, Dad.
Have you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a knife.
It should be on either there
You
or
gotta
on
go back
this
on.
table somewhere. I don't know where I put it. They're gonna think I'm drunk filming this because I'm looking. Oh, here it is.
Is it okay to cut this box?
Yeah. I don't think we're sending this back.
No.
All right. Take me home.
You okay?
Of course I'm.
Do you need me to do something? So I'm not.
No, I'm doing great. Oh, yeah. Guess where I'm going to fly this at Sunday? In the sanctuary. I'm going to have it in there. When Steve comes in to practice, I'm going to
Dive bombing.
Mm-hmm.
And that does not go to the church. That's yours.
This is mine. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
A little bit tighter. The LED screen has fallen out.
Huh. Okay. I'll mention it to her, but do you think you can fix it?
I don't know. We'll see. I'll have to take it all the way apart to fix it. I think I could probably put it back in. But that probably doesn't affect the flight of it very.
What?
The LED screen fell out.
Oh. You gotta include that in your...
I don't know.
Alright, spare parts. That's cool. Yep, just like I thought.
Do you see why I was so insistent that we had to get the boxes in?
Yes, I see. Now lights up.
Marshmallow.
He is doing his best cute kitty and you are not filming him.
I know.
That's a small camera, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have to have a GoPro to use the drone.
This is a drone with a camera.
Okay.
Just in the windy like it is today, not a good idea to fly it.
Yeah, outside. Yeah. And it's not going to fly it with 6-foot ceilings in here either, probably.
Are we going to church?
So not hard to attach.
Uh-huh. I see it takes a little card.
We have those.
To hold that for me.
Oh, jeez. That is light.
Oh, they come with a screwdriver. I didn't have to get me one.
That's okay.
This is, however, must be landing gear.
Look at
Yes,
your
landing
instructions.
gear. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Alright. This is just like Christmas.
I don't know if Christmas will be that nice.
Me either.
The camera's rolling. Okay, hold again.
it comes with one. Good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We're gonna get some video of the cats chasing the tiny little flying thing.
I'm sure. Dr. Francis' office. Okay. Could not figure out what that was.
Mm-hmm. No. I need 4 double A's.
Take your toy back. I know where those are.
You probably thought it was more fishing stuff, didn't you?
I had no idea, babe.
Yeah, my life was threatened. I believe her exact words were, "Daddy is not to find out about this."
Okay. I got screws to put in because I didn't know they come with them. I thought this slid together, but I will get the screws in.
Turn on?
Yep, it turned on. Okay. I gotta put the screws in this yet. I don't want it falling apart while I'm flying it.
You want me to do something? Why am I being silly?
They come with a handy dandy little screwdriver, extra propeller.
In other words, they know what's going to happen until you get used to flying it.
I need you to take over this. I have to finish getting ready for work.
What do I need to do? Just point it at him?
Yeah. And if it dies, just know it might because its battery is low.
Now, is it a rechargeable battery in this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this the camera we bought?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know, nobody's filming you.
He's going to take care of that. He'll go over and get in the picture. What would be precious if he stand up on the side of the chair and just stare at your dad?
No, because I got screws sitting on my...
I have 15 minutes. My shoes are actually over there.
Oh, okay.
But I have to finish this today.
Oh yeah, that works. Looks a lot better with a screw in it. That shoulder's killing me.
Do you need any help?
No, I got it. They're just little screws and fat fingers, you know.
When this battery, it'll just die, right? Okay.
It'll keep running right up to its dying breath.
Gotcha. It should. This was an expensive camera.
And it's time. Look, they get a video set up too. Ah, you have a lot of little screws, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Go sit in your chair and film them from that side.
Not an option.
Just want to make sure everything is screwed up tight on top. I almost need a pair of needle nose pliers because I got fat fingers.
You want my tweezers?
You got a pair of tweezers?
Mm-hmm.
Still having issues?
Mm-hmm.
So installation is easy if you don't have fat fingers.
Well, insulation isn't bad. I also have a broken shoulder. And that's not helping me being mobile. You know what I mean?
I know.
Can I place the screws for you?
Nah, I get 'em.
No one was putting that together but him.
Oh, I know.
It's like no one was putting my violin together but me.
I had no intention of messing with either your violin or that.
That would have helped.
If she'd have asked, I would have helped, but I knew.
No, what I want help with is the
I know.
clothing rack and the shower head. There's two of them now.
Oh my goodness. Now, are they singly placed shower heads, or can you use them like I use mine in there now?
This is a double one like that. There's actually a shower head and one that comes off.
Okay. Gabby.
Him and Charcoal are fighting.
He's eating very well today. I'm afraid he's getting sick.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Really? just sitting on the bathroom floor. Here, let me.
Well, one screw went in the box.
I have to come over here anyway. Because I have to get my shoes.
Do me a favor though, put the box back where it was, in case he drops another screw.
Oh, you have little faith.
There you go.
I have great faith. What can go wrong, will.
One more screw and I'll be done.
What do they do, send you extra screws?
Yeah, yeah. Well, maybe it's for the propellers. That's why you have to change them out. One thing I gotta do, I'm gonna lose these screws, put them back in a little plastic baggie. Just put it around with them.
Wondering how to work it?
Read your instructions, babe. Proof. Man, looking at it.
Push the throttle up or down. The quad rod. Forward, backwards.
Yeah, getting real close to having to go.
Power on. Switch. Okay, let's do it. And there. Right. Switch on.
I know you have to sync
Open.
the drone with the remote.
She said you have to. She said you have to sync the two things. There's almost an industrial accident.
Shower head on drone.
Mm.
You gotta place the aircraft horizontal.
What we don't know is somebody else's drone is going like this.
It's not the fact that that screen's messed up, is it?
I don't think so.
Open the battery cover, insert the battery. Make sure throttle stick is on high position. Then pull it back to the low position, indicated by one beep. Then the LED stop flashing.
Can I posit a theory? You already put the batteries in there,
Yes.
but you didn't do it the way it told you.
Yes, I did. I just
did
did
you?
it exactly.
But the LEDs are still flashing.
When they get a beep. Okay, make the throttle stick to high position, then pull it back to the low position. Indicated by one beep, the LED on the
Are the two devices supposed to be on a level surface
Mm-mm.
together? Okay.
Just close.
It can't be that it's too far away.
You'll figure it out. I gotta go. I'm sorry.
Right.
Love you. I'll call you from work to see how it goes.
Let me try this again. Place aircraft and final visit to be if it shot aircraft power supply.
If you want the tripod, it's in my bedroom.
No, I'll come back to it. I'm going to Google.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you too, babe. Be careful.
Place aircraft in horizontal. The control is placed in aircraft. Yeah. Control.
Is there a USB connection on that thing?
I don't know.
This says to get it paired, you need to remove the USB connection between the controller and the mobile device or the computer.
There is no USB connection.
Okay.
Let me see if there is. Turn off. Boy. Unplug it. Boy, I don't want to unplug it. What the? Okay, read the instructions to me. Maybe I'm misreading them.
Well, listen to what this says. Insert the battery into your quadcopter, but do not connect it just yet.
Okay.
Place the quadcopter on a level, flat surface. It's
Okay.
very important the surface has to be level. Connect the battery with the quadcopter flat on the level surface. They both have to be